वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। आज मैं आपके लिए विक्टोरियन एज के एक महान लेखक के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ जिनका नाम है थॉमस हार्डी। ही वॉज born in the year 1840 and died in the year 1928. So Hardy is one of the greatest novelists in the whole range of English literature. Thomas Hardy united the Victorian 1840 to 1900 and modern eras and his works as an act of bridge between Victorian and the modern novels. Thomas Hardy was born on 2nd June 1840 in Higher Buckhampton in Dorset, England, which formed part of the Wessex of his novels and poems. Hardy grew to be a small man over 5 feet tall. Hardy learned to love books and through his mother, Jemina, and was able to read before starting school. He was taught by his father, also named Thomas, to play the violin. Hardy attended private school in Stanford. There he studied Latin, Greek, French, classical literature, and assisted his father in his various building projects. Here, more thing about him. At the age of 16, he left school and was apprenticed to John Hicks, an architect in Dorchester. While still in Dorchester, Hardy met Horace Mule, a vicar's son and a student of Queen's College, Cambridge, who became his friend and mentor. In 1862, Hardy moved to London where he found employment in the office of an architect, Arthur Blomfield. It was in London that he began attending plays and operas, reading works of Herbert Spencer, Thomas Henry Huxley, John Stuart Mill, John Ruskin, and Charles Darwin, and started writing poetry. Thomas Hardy breathed his past on 11th of January 1928 at Dorchester. लिटरेरी कैरियर वर्क्स के बारे में देखते हैं। In London, Hardy continued to write poetry and began sending his poems to publishers who quickly returned them. He kept many of his poems and published in 1898 and afterwards. Back in Dorchester, 1867, while working for Hicks, he wrote a novel, The Poor Man and the Lady, which he was advised not to publish because it was too critical of Victorian society. His first novel with a plot was Desperate Remedies, which was published in 1871. But his first commercial success was with the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. This is very important. 1874. This novel dealt with the love of Gabriel Oak for the woman farmer Bathsheba Everden. Hardy's two most famous works are Tales of Urvelis 1891 and Jude the Obscure 1896. Tales of the Urvelis is widely regarded as Hardy's tragic masterpiece. It is a story of Tess, simple, sensuous, and passionate country girl whose parents discover their descent from a noble line and send her to seek the assistance of a degenerate relative to whom she finally surrenders. Jude the Obscure, on the other hand, is the story of Jude, a poor country boy who aspires to achieve academic glory, escapes from his native village to Christminster, but finds his ambitions of joining a university thwarted. Hardy is the creator of a region called Wessex, a small tract of country consisting of 6 odd counties in South England. Belonging to the rural working class, Hardy was keenly interested in depicting the life of the peasantry and advocating their beliefs and values. Wessex forests and woodlands have an epic grandeur, and his principal characters have the greatness of an epic heroes and heroines. Man's predicament in the universe is the theme of Thomas Hardy's novels. It is against the background of vast universe that the drama of human life is enacted in Hardy's novels and the tragedy of heroes and the heroine takes place. Hardy presents a picture of last elemental forces and shows their working on man's life. His characters are being shaped by the environment around them. Often, some natural object or scene directs the moment of the story and guides the actions of characters, as is seen in the case of Egdon Heath in the novel. So, next, there can be no doubt about the merit of Hardy as a novelist, despite certain shortcomings that it may betray. Conclusively, Hardy occupies an important place in the development of English novel. Major works are Tales of the Urvelis 1891, Far from the Madding Crowd 1874, very important. The Mayor of Casterbridge, also very important, 1886. Jude the Obscure 1895, The Return of the Native 1878, Under the Greenwood Tree 1872 is also very important. The Woodlanders 1887, A Pair of Blue Eyes 1873, The Oxford Book of Gothic Tales. This is also extremely important. Great short stories, Quick Roads, Desperate Remedies 1871, The Trumpet Major John Day 1880, Wessex Tales 1888, The Fiddlers of the Rills and Others, Alive Edition, Story of the Today 1881, The Best Horror Stories, The Three Strangers and Other Stories, Townsmen. So these are the important works of Thomas Hardy. So next Hardy also wrote The Return of the Native. It is extremely also important. Return of the Native. And next is Hardy as a story writer, short story writer. So he wrote the romantic adventures of a milkmaid, right? Life's Little Ironics, A Group of Noble Names, Wessex Tales. These are all short stories composed by Hardy's. The continuing popularity of Hardy's novels owes much to their richly varied yet always accessible style and combination of romantic plots and convincingly presented characters. Many of his novels have been adapted also. So this is all about Thomas Hardy's. Thank you. Next thing in the next video.